The next topic that we'll be discussing is Amazon machine image. So we are going to see all of these configurations on our portal as well. Okay, that how to create AMIs, how to create EC2 instance, what are security groups as well. From the previous class, we have security groups to be discussed over here. We'll be understanding about that as well. So Amazon machine image is nothing but it is a template which allows us to deploy multiple EC2 instances, the same kind of EC2 instance. If I want to deploy them again and again, then I can create AMIs. So these AMIs will be including the operating system, it will be including application server or any other application which are being there. So these are nothing but the blueprints, you can say, for creating the EC2 instances. So you can create virtual servers in the cloud using the AMIs. So there are many ways of getting these AMIs. So you can see over here in the picture as well, we have one AMI over here. So what this AMI would be having, it would be having the details of OS, it would be having details about block device mappings, right? So after we create this particular AMI, we can launch several instances of the same category or same configuration through this AMI, right? So how to get AMI? So there are three ways of getting the AMIs. You can either use the AMIs given to us by AWS. So all popular kind of AMIs like, the operating system Linux already installed, Windows, Mac, Red Hat, WordPress already installed on it, or Tomcat server installed on it, any kind of such requirements are there, then it can be fulfilled using the AMIs provided by AWS. There are so many AMIs which are already provided by AWS. You can use the AMIs that are created by the third-party partners of AWS. Okay, so that is called as marketplace AMI. You have to pay for this one. Okay, you might have to pay some extra amount for using that particular AMI. You have to pay for running the EC2 instance. Okay, so when you create EC2 instance, what you have to do is you have to pay on hourly basis or on the per second basis. It depends up to that what kind of EC2 you are creating, but you will be paying for till the time your EC2 is active. It means that if your virtual machine is running, it is into the running state or it is in active states, then you have to pay for it. But apart from that, if you are using any marketplace AMIs, you have to pay something for that as well. Okay. So the next thing is you can also build your own images. So if you have some application which your firm or organization would have built and you want to deploy that on the EC2 instance and then you want to create multiple EC2 instances out of it, then you can create your own images as well by using EC2 image builder. We'll be looking at the demonstration of this. Okay. So these are the three ways of getting the AMI.